Welcome to Learn English Smoothly. Returning a shirt to the store.
Hello.
Hi. How can I help you today?
I want to return this shirt.
Okay. May I ask why you want to return it?
Yes. The shirt is too big for me.
I see. Do you have the receipt?
Yes, here it is.
Thank you. Would you like to exchange it or get a refund?
I want to exchange it for a smaller size.
No problem. What size do you need?
I need a medium size, please.
Sure, let me check. Here's a medium.
Great. Can I try it on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Thank you. This size is perfect.
Wonderful. I will exchange it for you.
Thank you so much for your help.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too.
Do you have a pet?
Hi, nice to see you.
Nice to see you too.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
Oh, that's great. What's your dog's name?
His name is Max.
Cute name. How old is he?
He is 3 years old.
Wow. I like dogs. They are very friendly.
Yes, Max is very friendly and playful.
What kind of food do you like?
Hi. I'm hungry. What kind of food do you like?
I like pizza.
Oh, pizza is delicious. What's your favorite topping?
I like cheese and mushrooms.
Yum. I like pepperoni pizza. Do you like burgers?
Yes, I like burgers with fries.
Me too. Do you like spicy food?
A little bit, but not too spicy.
I understand. I like spicy food a lot. What about healthy food?
Yes, I like fruits. My favorite fruit is mango.
Nice. I like apples and bananas.
Fruits are good for health. Planning a trip. Hi. Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Not yet. Why?
I'm planning a trip. Do you want to join?
Sure. Where are you planning to go?
I want to go to the mountains.
That sounds fun. When do you want to go?
On Saturday morning.
How will we go there?
We can take a bus.
Good idea. What should we take with us?
We should take water, snacks, and a camera.
Yes, and maybe warm clothes too.
You are right. It may be cold in the mountains.
This trip will be exciting.
Yes, I can't wait. First time to meet at a bar.
Hi, is this seat taken?
No, it's free. Please sit down.
Thank you. My name is John.
Nice to meet you, John. I'm Lisa.
Nice to meet you too, Lisa. Do you come here often?
No, this is my first time here. And you?
Same here, it's my first time.
The music is nice.
Yes, I like it. Do you like live music?
Yes, I do. It makes the place feel fun.
What do you usually like to drink?
I like juice or soda.
Same here. I'll order an orange juice. Would you like one too?
Sure, thank you.
So, Lisa, what do you do?
I'm a student. And you?
I work in an office.
That's nice.
It's good to meet new people.
Yes, I agree. I'm happy to meet you today.
Me too.